Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Dreams Los Cabos Golf and Spa Resort. This resort is perfect for every member of the family, and this particular category, the one-bedroom suite with a beautiful ocean view, is fantastic for those traveling with their families. Let me show you what it's all about. As soon as you walk in the door right here, you've got your Nespresso maker. They've got the Nespresso pods. They'll replenish those as often as you like throughout your stay. And just underneath here, you're gonna have your mini fridge. It's all stocked and ready for you when you arrive. Once again, you can have it replenished as you like. And then they have a few extra amenities here, being that this is a preferred club room. So throughout the tour, I'll talk about preferred club, but essentially it's the upgraded version of the suites here on the resort. You're gonna get that fantastic preferred club lounge where you're gonna check in right away, upgraded alcohol amenities there you can use throughout, but all around the room and the resort, there's a lot of great amenities. Right here, you're gonna see a full dining room table. You can take advantage of that 24-hour room service menu if you'd like. And then continuing along, you have your living room area. Now this is a couch. It does pull out into a sleeper. Once again, perfect if you're traveling with a family or maybe a third adult is in here. You've got the two chairs. You have tables on both sides. And one little touch that I really like is that they have plugs and USB plugs in both of the lamps. So if somebody's utilizing this bed, they can take advantage of those as well. Just across, you're gonna have your large flat panel TV. You've got a small writing desk here with a little chair that pulls out, little storage underneath, and there's your ice bucket. Now, if somebody's staying in this room, storage is important, and right here you're gonna see your first set of storage. You've got storage on the left, you've got extra pillows and blankets, you've got hanging storage here, and once again, perfect for the third and or fourth member of the family. Now, as soon as you come in to the right here, you're gonna have your bathroom. So you're gonna see that you have a large double vanity here and a few signatures of secrets. So right here, you're gonna have your amenity kit. Once again, it's upgraded because this is a preferred club suite. You also have the incense. I love that. They have that at every one of the Dreams and Secrets resorts. And every time we light that up, it just brings back a memory, which I really appreciate. Hair dryer underneath, and then if you follow me in, you've got your toilet right there to the left, and then we have our shower. It is a big shower. I appreciate that. I'm a pretty big guy. You've got the full rainforest shower head up here. You have the shower wand as well. Perfect when you have kids. And it doesn't have a bathtub in this particular room, but when we traveled with my daughter when she was little, we actually just brought a tiny inflatable pool. Absolutely perfect for that. Or take advantage of the huge pools outside. So as I head on into the master bedroom, I did want to point out that the door shuts here to give you that privacy. And in here you have a really large walk-in closet. You've got a ton of hanging storage. You have your robes right here, slippers. And I love that they have this beach bag. Every time you stay in a preferred club suite, you can take that with you. We actually have a collection at home and they're really, really nice. You've got your safe over here to the right. It is big enough for a laptop. Your golf umbrella, laundry bag, and then of course more storage down and up above. So as we head into the master bedroom, I did want to point out one of my favorite amenities here. It's a door. I love my daughter. I love traveling with my family, but having a little extra space and privacy when traveling with my wife, it's such a benefit, especially on vacation. But as you see, it's a good sized master bedroom. You've got another writing desk here. You've got a chair you can sit and get ready with the mirror. Right next to the bed, you're gonna have your light switches. I do love that right on the lamp, they actually have a plug and they also have a USB plug. So it's really nice that they've added those in there. And right next to the light switch, you actually have the fan controls. I love having a fan. I like to have the air moving, especially when you're right on the beach. You can open up that door, you can have the fan going and have that air moving throughout the room. Now you have a full king size bed right here. And then to my left, you're gonna see you have your TV. Just a little bit of storage here, down below, luggage storage right there as well. And then continuing on, you have the other side of the bed. Just underneath, they have an iHome. It's a charger, it's a Bluetooth speaker as well. And then right here, they have this tablet. I wanted to point it out because this is a great feature at every AM resort. Think of it as replacing the old resort guides. Remember those big thick things? Try to figure out how late the pool's open, when the dining happens. It's got all that information here. And another great perk is that you can also order room service directly from there. Just makes it simpler. Continuing on, you've got this nice ottoman here, though I would probably turn it and face out at the beach. And then right here, you have a small table and two chairs. So maybe you want to have room service in here or have a nice snack, so not disturb anybody in the other room. It's perfect for that. You also notice there's a couple plugs. One thing that I've been pleased with is the amount of plugs in the room. So as we head out onto the veranda, I just want to show you that you could open up the doors. They've got these screens here. That's perfect. I always love to take advantage of the breeze. And then as you step on out, you can see that we're on the ground floor right here. Now these particular suites are on all levels, so you may have one higher up, maybe you get a little bit higher view, but for me, all of them are fantastic. Right here, you've got two chairs, a table, perfect place for a cup of coffee in the morning. Maybe take that Nespresso right on out here, or have a cocktail as well. Now with this particular suite, I'm just gonna head around the corner here, got divided up by the bougainvillea, nice and beautiful. This is your other patio, so really large. Once again, you've got 2 more chairs and you've got your table, and you can kind of see right above us as you go up, you've got more verandas that kind of stick out as well. But as you continue along, you've got 2 lights right here. This is the perfect place, once again, to have a nice cup of coffee or a cocktail, really take in that gorgeous ocean view. Now, I mentioned earlier in the tour about this being a preferred club room. So when you check in, they take you right to that preferred club lounge. And once again, an elevated experience that makes it so much simpler. You can use that concierge throughout your entire stay to book just about anything related to the resort, or even off-site as well. I mentioned that this is a golf resort as well. They've got a partnership with a golf course very, very close by. Now, my favorite preferred club amenity at this particular resort is the beautiful beachfront preferred club area. They have their own bar, once again, bar service, and the chairs and palapas over there. It's just a separated area, beautiful on the ocean, and a great amenity to take advantage of. So when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any suite at Dreams or Secrets, we are your experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have a phenomenal relationship with them, and we know that we can create the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, and your family at an incredible value.